Good morning. Today's topic is PN junction diode. So here the P type is one type of the semiconductor material and N is the one type of the semiconductor material. These two materials are joined together to form a PN junction diode. So when these two materials are formed like this, this is a P-type material and this is a N-type material. When these two are joined together, then it forms a one junction. This is the junction is known as so to enter this circuit is known as a PN junction diode. So there is a biasing in PN junction diodes. So first case is a no biasing, and the second case is forward biasing, and the third case is a reverse biasing. So first case when there is no biasing to the PN junction diode, what will be happen? That is no biasing means nothing but there is no connection, there is no voltage across the diode. Then what happened? When the P-type material and N-type material will be connected together, joined together, then they form say one junction, right? So here the majority charge carriers of the P-type materials are holes and minority charge carriers are electrons. And N-type material having the minority charge carriers holes and majority charge carriers are electrons. So these two are joined, then there is an attraction between the holes and electrons. Because of holes are negative, act as a positively charged ions, and electrons are act as a negatively charged ions, but this is not positive and this is not a negative. These are act as a positive ions and these are act as a negative ions, so that there is a attraction between the positive and negative, so that at the junction majority charge carriers of the holes, p-type material holes are attracted to the negative side, and N-type electrons are attracted to the positive, which are P-type material. So they form a one, that is diffused. Holes are diffused to N-type material, and electrons are diffused to the P-type material. So here it forms one layer. That layer is known as a depletion region, depletion layer, or space free region. Okay. And forward bias, that is P-type material connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and N-type material is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, then it is in the form of the forwarding bias. So here positive holes are attracted to the refused to the positive terminal of the battery, and electrons are refused to the negative terminal of the battery, and these two p-type holes and electrons are attracted each other, then it crosses the junctions to p-type material holes are cross the junction to cross and towards the n-type material. N-type material electrons are cross the junction and attract towards the p-type material. So here the current will be conducted. There is a current flow between these diode because of the voltage is applied in the form of the forwarding bias. So the depletion region is decreased. Depletion region is width of the depletion region is decreased, and when the voltage applied voltage is less than the barrier voltage, that is the depletion region voltage, then there is a conductivity will be increased. If the voltage is higher than the depletion region voltage, then there is a small amount of current flow through this diode. And next, coming to the reverse biasing, P-type material is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and N-type material is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Then what happened? The width of the depletion region will be increased because of P-type material are attracted to the negative terminal of the battery, and N-type material is attracted to the positive terminal of the battery. So here the depletion region will be increased, width will be increased, and there is no current flow across this diode, but there is a small amount of current flowing through this diode because of there is a minority charge carriers in the p-type materials and n-type materials having. So the minority charge carriers of the electrons which are in a p-type material and holes are at n side or attracted each other, so there is a small amount of current flow between these diode. So this amount of voltage is known as a reverse saturation voltage. That is a reverse voltage. So that the reverse certain voltage cross applied voltage is cross the junction, that is current will be flowing. Current flowing on the circuit is also increases. And coming to the symbol of the PN junction diode, this is a symbol of the PN junction diode. Arrow mark always indicates the p-type material and bar indicates the n-type material. So p-type material is known as a anode and n-type material is known as a cathode. So here we have characteristics of the PN junction diode. Here the V is the applied input voltage, R is a resistor, milliamps that is a current ammeter, and a diode here it is a voltmeter. So the voltage across the diode is measured by using the voltmeter, and current across this diode is measured by using the milliamps, and resistor is already we know that which opposes the flow of current. That needs that means it protect the diode. It will be used to protect the diode. So VI characteristics, V for the voltage and I for the current. VI characteristics is nothing but a voltage across the diode and voltage across the current. The characteristics of the voltage across the diode versus the voltage across the current is known as a VA characteristics. So when the diode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and a negative terminal of the battery, then here it is the characteristics. So there is a no current flow across the diode when the applied voltage is higher than the depletion region. Here it is depletion region. There is no current flow. That means the diode is in a off state. Here it is in a off state, and then suddenly when you are increasing the applied input voltage, then current will be voltage is increased, then current also increases. Where the diode is where the diode current is increased suddenly, that voltage is known as a cut-in voltage or knee voltage, or in other words, where the diode is changed from off state to on state is known as a knee voltage or cut-in voltage. So next one is a reverse bias characteristics of VI characteristics. When the diode is connected to the positive terminal to the negative terminal, and battery's negative terminal, and the positive terminal connected to the battery's positive terminal, then it will be represented as a reverse biasing. Here milliamp is used. Current will be measured with the milliammeter, and voltage across the diode is measured by using the voltmeter. So when there is a reverse bias, when the diode is in a reverse bias, then there is no current flow through that diode, but there is a smaller amount of reverse voltage is flowing through that of that diode because of due to the minority charge carriers. That means immovable charge carriers. So that here where the voltage is if the reverse voltage is increased, then suddenly the current will be increased. So that sudden change is known as sudden change of the voltage is known as a breakdown voltage. So this is the characteristics of the PN junction diode. Thank you.